Unveiling potential. A deep dive into seeing the potential in. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's both inspiring and deeply meaningful. See the potential in. Understanding this phrase can unlock a new way of perceiving opportunities and abilities, not just in others, but in ourselves and the world around us. Let's dive in and explore what it means to see the potential in something or someone, and how you can use this expression in everyday conversations. Potential refers to the capacity to develop, achieve, or become something more in the future. It's about recognizing the possibilities that are not yet realized. When we talk about potential, we're talking about what could be, not just what is. It's an optimistic view that looks beyond the present to envision a greater future. To see the potential in something or someone means to recognize the abilities, qualities, or possibilities that are not immediately obvious. It's about looking past the surface and identifying the hidden strengths or opportunities that could be developed over time. This expression is often used in contexts where someone believes in another person's capabilities or in the future success of a project or idea, even if evidence of that success isn't visible yet. 1. In education, a teacher might say they see the potential in a student who is currently struggling but shows a strong curiosity and passion for learning. 2. In the workplace, a manager could see the potential in an innovative project that hasn't been fully developed yet but could lead to significant advancements. 3. Personal growth. You might see the potential in yourself to master a new skill or hobby, despite initial challenges. Using see the potential in effectively involves looking beyond immediate appearances and considering how things could improve or evolve. Here's how you can use it. Encourage others. Highlight the hidden talents or strengths in people around you. Stay optimistic. Focus on what could be possible in the future, rather than what is lacking now. Inspire action. Use it to motivate yourself and others to work towards realizing that potential. Understanding and using the phrase, see the potential in, is about fostering hope, encouragement, and a forward-looking perspective. It's a powerful way to communicate belief in the possibilities that the future holds, whether for individuals, projects, or ideas. We hope this video helps you not only understand the phrase but also apply it in your life to inspire and motivate. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more exciting aspects of the English language with you.